Welcome to our room tour of room 501 at the Best Western Premier Chateau Granville Hotel and Suites in a balcony suite 1 king bed. Before we get into the room, just outside directly opposite is a beautiful vending machine that takes contactless payments with vending ice machine on the 4th floor. However, we are here for the room. There is somebody behind the door.
Hello.
Where would you like to start, my dear, in this
Well, I'll start with something I've just found on the back of the door. Which
mansion? Okay.
A privacy lock. Love that. Small feature.
Okay.
Welcome to our hallway.
Yeah, we have a...
There's nothing really to say about the hallway. There's an extra light.
Excellent.
Let's start in the bathroom.
Okay.
Very modern. Towels. Not the bath towel. If you watch our main video, you'll know why I've just said that. Very large sink. I think a lot of the Best Westerns we've stayed in seem to be moving to this style of sink.
Yes.
Which I approve, because if you're a person who wears makeup, this is a good depth. Actual, oh my god, proper crystal. They're heavy.
And just down by Dan's legs, there is a hairdryer, there are spare towels, and a spare toilet roll.
And a bin.
And a bin also by the toilet as well.
Yeah, 2 bins.
Where's you been?
On the plane. And then, oh, look, you're moving backwards. Welcome to our living room. Oh, what you can't see is you almost just went for a flight. You're right.
Yeah, I'm good. Definitely thought I'd missed the table. I definitely did not miss the table.
This is our living area. So it has a very large TV. And then in this unit, there are multiple little things. So, tea and coffee. And a Keurig. That was fun.
If you didn't know how Keurigs worked.
It now thinks I'm about to make a coffee. Not quite yet. And then in this one, a microwave. That's Nigella would say. And then these are just standard, very large drawers with a nice velvet liner in, which I appreciate. And the TV says your name.
It does.
So if you didn't know,
that's your. That's not your name. That's my name.
Yeah, your name, not your name. Your name. And then we've got a little desk area here. There is a very decent sized fridge in here. A very vintage looking phone.
Yeah, the 1970s called. They want it back.
There is a dinner menu from next door. So that's the dinner specials every day of the week. So it's Saturday, so it's steak, but you can access the standard menu.
Very nice.
Oh, that's very good. I hadn't read that. Have you read that?
I had, yes.
So one of the elevators, lifts, depending where you're from, downstairs is not working. So one is, but they've opened up their service elevator for guests to use, which is very good.
Which is good, yeah.
There is a little
Chair.
no
Yeah, there's a drawer there as well.
stationery, if you so wish.
If it hasn't moved, does that still make it stationary?
I just moved it, so temperature control. Wardrobe number 1 with these sliding doors. It's just got pillows and some hangers in. Literally nothing fancy about that. And then join me in the bedroom. Yes, room 3 technically of this area. There's a wardrobe here, in here that is, this one opens that way. I'm not going to open it properly because it sounds horrible. But there's ironing board, safe, hangers. Eesh. And welcome to the TARDIS. It just keeps going.
This room is massive, it really is.
It is. Every single one of the lamps has a plug and a USB, and there are 3 lamps in this room, just in case one wasn't enough. Or does this one have a USB in it?
Don't think so.
Never know.
But then there's another massive telly as well.
Another massive telly. I did sit on this bed not that long ago. It's quite soft,
Oh,
but it's very comfortable.
good. What did you say you quite like that's included? Because the noise might not be particularly...
That was a very flattering view you just got. Yes, we have noticed, or I have noticed, I don't know if you have, it's not very soundproof to outside, but they obviously know that. Earplugs. Such a small thing, and a lot of you will be going, well, you shouldn't need earplugs. Correct, but they've rectified what is clearly a very common problem that people have.
It's also a city centre.
It's also a city centre. You're never going to get, like, we know when we book a city centre hotel that it's going to be loud.
On the description for this, for the booking, does say that the bed out there may well be a sofa bed as well as the balcony that we've got, and also includes high-speed internet access for our stay. And this, for 2 nights from a Saturday through to a Monday for when our cruise starts, is $848.16 Canadian.
Yeah, Canadian dollars. Don't get confused with that. And that is definitely a sofa bed because I heard it when I sat on it.
Yes, and this was booked through the fact that we are Best Western members, so we've got a slightly better rate for that. But having had a look, even as off members, the price is not too dissimilar and very, very good. And we will let you know.
And I can also book this, by the way.
You can, but once we have finished here, we'll let you know whether we think the room was worth the money and whether it's any good. So see you at the end of the stay. And if by magic, it's 2 days later, and we're just about to leave the room.
It's been alright. The actual room itself, no complaints.
No complaints at all.
It is very loud at night. So
the earplugs were good.
Yeah, I used my loop earplugs and they were great. I still maintain, I think if we were to do this again, which we know we will in the future, but we would not stay in this area.
We'd stay further close to...
It's closer to the water. It's not the best area. Like we've not had any problems, but it's just a bit uncomfortable to walk around in sometimes.
Yeah.
But yeah, no complaints at all.
Let's give you a quick bit of feedback on certain areas of the room. Bathroom was absolutely brilliant. The shower was really, really good, and the shampoo, body wash and conditioner, really, really nice stuff. Everything was really well taken care of by the house team. Fresh towels, we had everything sorted in terms of tissues, replacement goods if we've used any. The hairdryer was a bit weak, wasn't it, Dan? Is the way you described it?
Terrible. Which is why my hair's in a plait, because I couldn't dry it fully. So I just put it up for now for when we go out.
But in here, the lounge was really nice, really comfortable. The sofa, despite being a sofa bed, was actually nice.
Yeah.
We were able to log into everything on the TV. No problems at all. The aircon worked fine. The bed was comfy.
Coffee machine, this morning, something was clearly not connected properly at the back. So when I put the water in, it just flooded everywhere. So I cleaned that up with all the flannels, but yeah.
Other than that, you really liked the bed, didn't you? And we said it was so comfy, and actually we did sleep really well considering we thought we'd be jet lagged.
Yeah, no, cosy.
So there you go, there is the basic room tour of this 1 king bed suite.
There's one thing left to do.
Oh yes. Now, if you're new here, we often ask, is this place big enough to swing a cat in? If you are wondering where the origination of that comes from, go back to our Florida 2025 or 26 series. This is Bernie. Danielle, could you please do the honours of seeing if this room is big enough to swing a cat in?
One day we're going to do this and his tail's going to break.
But there we go. You can see that this is big enough to swing a cat in. Is this adventure by Danielle recommended?
Depends what you're looking for. I think yes, as long as you're mindful about the area.
Perfect answer. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you want to see the main vlogs from our trip to Vancouver and Alaska, links are on the channel.
Bye-bye!
I'll be dreaming about this.